Hello dear students, I am going to reteach you the first chapter of your social study, that is the story of the past. Before we start the chapter, let me ask you a question. Do you ever look at your old family photos? I am sure most of you would say yes. Do you think we should keep these photographs safely? If yes, why? Let me tell you. Because it helps us to know about our family history. So, when you find out about past events in your family or look at old family pictures, you are learning your family history. So, like our family history, we also have the world history. Let us know what is history. History is the study of past. The word history is derived from a Greek word historia, which means learning or knowing facts by inquiry. Now, why do we need to study history? We need to study history because it helps us to know and learn about the life of the people who lived in the past. It helps us to compare present times to past. It helps us to know, to study social, political and administrative setup at different times. To know about the lives of famous and ordinary people who lived in the past. How does history help us? History helps us to understand how the people of earlier times lived. Like in the past, there were no buses, trains, cars. So people either had to walk or travel by vehicles, run or drawn by animals. Now, history also helps us to understand why we celebrate our national festivals like August 15 as Independence Day and 26th January as Republic Day. Why is history interesting? History is interesting because it tells us the facts about past and present. Like in the past, there were no internet, so people wrote letters and sent through post office. And it took several days to reach. Today, we have internet, so we can send emails or message our friends or relatives staying in any part of the world, and it doesn't take much time. We can even call them whenever and wherever we want. So children, this was about history. Now, do you know the people who helped us to know history? The people who helped us to know history are archaeologists and historians. Now, who is an archaeologist? An archaeologist is a person who digs up places to find clues about people of the past. He or she is good with following clues, just like finding treasure in a game of treasure hunt. He or she does field work, collects evidences and different sources of information. An historian is a person who uses the sources dug out by the archaeologists to find out about the past. Both archaeologists and historians have common interest and are equally important. They cannot work without each other. So children, history is important because it is great fun and sometimes very exciting. It's like being a time detective, hunting through the records and the archaeological artifacts, looking for clues that might help build up a picture of what happened long ago. Now, I hope you enjoyed the explanation. So, I have an interesting game for you. That is, you need to become a historian of the day. All you need to do is ask your parents or grandparents and write a record. Record of what? Number 1, when were they born? Number 2, what did they do on weekends when they were of your age? Number 3, what games did they play, etc. and compare it with your lifestyle. So children, this was all for today. I will come up with the remaining part of the chapter in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Thank you. Have a good day ahead.